Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to optimize images for SEO using TinyPNG in 2026. So if you want your website to load faster and rank better on search engines, this guide will help you optimize images step by step. First, understand that large images slow down your website. And slow websites can hurt your SEO rankings. Next, open the TinyPNG website in your browser. So this tool compresses images without noticeable quality loss. Now upload your website images into TinyPNG. It will automatically reduce file size while keeping them visually sharp. So once compression is done, download the optimized images to your PC. These smaller images will help your website load faster. Next, rename your image files with SEO-friendly names. Use clear keywords instead of random numbers. Finally, upload the compressed and renamed images back to your website. So this improves both speed and search engine visibility. And that's how to optimize images for SEO using TinyPNG in 2026. Once you compress and properly name your images, your website becomes faster and more search engine friendly. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more SEO and website optimization tutorials. Hey